Bonjour! I wanted to make a quick video about my kits that you can find in the shop, because during the European Planner sale a lot of you got the Grésil kit that you can see here on the screen, and so I thought I would go through it quickly so you can know what's in it, how you can customize it, and what the bundles are and all that stuff. So let's get into it. So this is the Deluxe Kit. The Deluxe Kit comes with the 10 sheets that I'm going to show you. It also comes in the weekly kit with only 7 sheets, the first 7, and a la carte. So, and it comes in either glossy paper, premium matte paper, or removable matte paper. You can add a foil add-on on the glossy and the premium matte. Not on a removable because it doesn't foil well, but yeah. So first sheet you have here is the full boxes. I'm gonna show you a little bit the foiling on it because it's gorgeous. That's the silver glitter for all the sheets that you're gonna see with foil. It's the silver glitter holographic foil on it. So the full boxes got 9 of them. So you have a double box here, a triple box here, and a double box here. That is specific to landscape kits. And 2 extra boxes here with 8 flags, 8 arrows. So yeah, first sheet. Then you have the half boxes sheet with 8 half boxes, 8 quarter boxes, 8 scallop labels, and 7 skinny appointment labels. This sheet is not customizable. Sorry, the camera cut. So not customizable, this one. Then you have the checklist and header page. This is customizable, not foldable. You can change the checklist. There are here bubbles. You can have stars or hearts. And then you can, with Change My Kit language add-on, change English to French. So yeah, you have 8 long checklists, 8 shorter checklists, cancelled labels, which are like whatever, as if, and nope. You have 7 to-dos, 7 meals, 7 stars, a few various headers, a few various littles, and blank headers here. So yeah. Then you have this page, which is customizable as well with the full checklist. You can also choose bubbles, stars, or hearts. So you have the 7 large checklist, 4 3 bubble checklists, and your daily habits. There you go. Then you have one of the pages that I really like, which is the icon functional page. So you have larger appointment labels, water tracker, ombre weeklies, money flags, and tons of icons for every purpose. There you go. And language in the weekly ombres change from English to French if you choose to. Then you have this page you can customize as well with French or English. So you have a ton of script icons. I'll show you quickly. Three weekend banners, 2 large one and 1 smaller one. Your 7 days of the week and your numbers. So yeah. Then you have your washi and date cover page, which is foilable. And this is like a snow effect, very pretty. So the washi is cut in 2, so you can use the skinny part, the larger part, or both to make a very big one. Then you have your washi here that are cut in different sizes, And then you have your day covers that are skinnier than what you could find in other kits in other shops. But I wanted to make them skinny because so that they will fit in between the Sunday and Saturday in my B6 planner. And I left them blank on purpose, so you can choose to use either the date that come in a kit or some that you would have already on hand, like with transparent, for example, and foiled, or if you want just to write them by yourself, you can do that too. So foildable sheet. Then you have, so those 7 pages that I just showed you is the weekly kit. The 3 more that I'm going to show you are part of the deluxe kit, and obviously all of them are available a la carte. So first extra sheet, you have this, which is actually called extras. So you have 2 double boxes, 7 scalloped semicircles, and those skinny strips that you could use either between the days in like the Erin Condren Life Planner, or to use as a horizontal separation in your planner. So this is foilable as well. And the particularity of the double boxes is that they're cut in the middle, but they have this usable strip here. So if you want to have a giant double box, you can, but if you want to separate them, you can too. And they're a bit taller than a regular full box, but not that much, so it doesn't take too much space in your planner. Then you have the glitter page, which is foilable as well. So you have glitter headers, you have the 4 colors of the kit, and you have 8 headers each time. They're quite skinny, so very nice, either like headers or deco. Then you have the middle part here, which is not foiled, with scallop labels, bows and flags, and those 2 strips here that are as like washi that you could use, for example, on personal inserts where you punch them like in the center of the pages. So yeah. And then last but not least, the deco sheet, which will be quite different from kit to kit. When I do have clip art that match the kit, they will be in this page, but when I don't, like in this kit, I will try my best to find icons or similar stuff that I think will match the theme as I did there, because as you can see, you have snowflakes, little snowflake in a mailer, like wintry icons, and so I put them in the kit colors so they match. But sometimes I don't, so there will be no 10th page for the deluxe kit. But that doesn't mean that the kit will be the same price. If it's a 9-page deluxe kit, it will be €27.50, I think, instead of 30 euros. So yeah, I wanted to go back to specify a bit about the foiling add-on. So Foil My Kit, you have the choice between foiling 1 page by 1 page, these 2 pages alone with the Foil My Kit weekly kit, or the 4 with the deluxe Foil My Kit. So you can add the add-on whichever you buy as the kit. For example, let's just say you take the full deluxe kit, but you just want foil on the washi page, then you just take Foil My Washi page. And if you want to have the full boxes and the Washi page with the whole deluxe kit, you just take the weekly kit add-on, and I will just fold those 2 pages. The foil you can choose. You can choose the color between 8 colors: gold, silver, rose gold, rosé, which is a warm rosé gold, between gold and rose gold, but closer to gold. And then you have 4 holographics: the silver glitter here, gold glitter, silver holographic, and gold holographic. However, you can't choose the design. I will choose what fit the kit each time. So here it's falling snow effect, for example, but it will depend on each kit. Just be sure that we will match the theme. So yeah, I hope it is a bit clearer for you and that you know more what's in a kit and how you can buy and combine and customize them. And I will see you later. Bye!